What if I told you that as a student, you don't need a job to start making money online? In 2026, AI has made it easier than ever for students to start side hustles with zero investment and very little experience. In this video, I'll show you some of the best AI side hustles for students that can help you start earning online using free or low-cost tools. And make sure you watch till the end, because the last side hustle can literally turn into a full-time online business. Welcome to AI Income Lab. On this channel, we talk about AI tools, freelancing, and online earning strategies. If you want to learn how to make money online using AI, make sure to subscribe. Now, let's get started. Side hustle number 1, AI content writing. The first AI side hustle is content writing. With tools like ChatGPT, students can now write blog posts, product descriptions, website content, social media captions. Even if you are not an expert writer, AI can help you create high-quality drafts in minutes. How to earn. You can sell your writing services on Fiverr, Upwork. Many beginners start with simple writing gigs and slowly grow into long-term freelancing. Side hustle number 2, thumbnail and graphic design. The second side hustle is graphic design. And no, you don't need to be a professional designer. With tools like Canva, students can create YouTube thumbnails, Instagram posts, flyers, business logos. How to earn. Offer design services to small businesses, YouTubers, or Instagram pages. One thumbnail can sell for $5 to $20 or more, depending on quality. And the best part? Side hustle number 3, faceless YouTube automation. The third AI side hustle is faceless YouTube automation. This is one of the most exciting side hustles in 2026. You can create YouTube videos without showing your face by using AI tools for script writing, voiceovers, video editing. For example, use ChatGPT for scripts. Use CapCut for editing. Use AI voice tools for narration. How to earn. Once your channel gets monetized, you can earn from YouTube ads, affiliate marketing, sponsorships. This side hustle takes time, but it has huge long-term potential. Side hustle number 4, AI voiceover services. The fourth side hustle is AI voiceover services. With tools like ElevenLabs, students can create realistic voiceovers for YouTube videos, reels, ads, presentations. How to earn. Offer voiceover services to content creators or businesses. You can also combine this with video editing and create complete content packages. This is a smart way to charge more. Side hustle number 5, selling digital products. The fifth AI side hustle is selling digital products. This is one of the best side hustles for students because you create once and sell many times. You can create resume templates, social media templates, study planners, ebooks, prompt packs. Use AI tools to help you write, design, and organize your product faster. How to earn. Sell your digital products on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or your own social media pages. This can become passive income over time. Which side hustle should you start? If you are a complete beginner, here's my advice. Start with one skill only. If you like writing, start content writing. If you like design, start thumbnails or social media posts. If you like videos, start YouTube automation. Don't try to do everything at once. Pick one, practice for 7 days, and start offering it online. That's how momentum is built. The truth is, students today have more opportunities than ever before. You don't need a lot of money, you don't need an office, and you don't need years of experience. You just need internet, consistency, and the willingness to learn. AI is not magic, but if you use it smartly, it can become your shortcut to online income. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to AI Income Lab. And comment below, which AI side hustle would you start first?